Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to disable the Vibrate option for approval notifications on Google Drive. If you're someone who finds those constant vibrations distracting or unnecessary, this quick guide will help you take full control of your notification settings. The process is simple, and I'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. The first thing you'll want to do is open your phone's Settings. This is where you'll find all the detailed controls for managing apps and how they behave on your device. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your phone, this section may also be labeled as Apps and Notifications, but they both lead to the same place. Next, look through your list of installed applications until you see Google Drive. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up all the dedicated options for Drive on your device, including its storage, permissions, and the most important part for us today, its notifications. Inside the Google Drive settings page, tap on Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what kind of alerts you want to receive from Google Drive and how those alerts reach you. You won't just see an on and off switch here. Google actually breaks things down into categories so you can customize them individually. To change Vibrate settings for approval alerts, tap on Notification Categories. Within this list, look for Approvals. Approvals are the notifications you receive whenever someone sends you a request to review or approve a file or document in Google Drive. Once you've selected Approvals, you'll see a range of settings that affect the way these notifications behave. What we're focusing on now is the vibration toggle. Simply switch off Vibrate and you're done. From now on, approval notifications will still show up, but without the constant buzzing that can be distracting throughout your day. And that's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for approval notifications in Google Drive. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your phone quieter and more focused, while still allowing you to stay updated on important activities. If you found this helpful, consider applying the same steps to other apps as well to create a completely customized notification experience.